What is happening? S63 goes BC. Mk2 TT, 2 litre TFSI. We've done, this is track car, been used on track. We've done quite a lot of work on this. We've had front brake, this was previously, I'm sure we did cam belt water pump, serviced it, fitted big brakes front and back. Pretty sure we did that one a while ago. It's now back, it's been on track. It is a bit shit, but it blunt, it's just shite. They're not brilliant out of the box. The two front end heavy, I think. They're just big old lumps. They're quite heavy cars for what they are. To combat that and the handling issues, nothing but the best. BC coilovers, adjustable top mounts. I'm not going to lie, I'm a massive fan of BCs. I run these on my Mk2 Golf. They just transform a car. Yeah, very pretty thing. Let's get them on, let's get it done. Out with the old, going in with the new. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That is. I don't know, mate. This is the problem with alley hubs. However, I am yet again undefeated. Assholes, aren't they? Assholes. Assholes. Oh, asshole.
Oh, can you do this for me? No, wait, well, fuck you then.
This is the problem with alley hubs. However, I am undefeated yet again. Yet again. Yeah. They look very, very pretty. Much better. Adjustable top mounts as well. Camber adjustment, lovely, beautiful. Crusty, very, very, very crusty. It's definitely going to be nice with some new suspension.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Look, boss is up there. Look, Gaffer's there again.
The boss?
The boss man. Jimmy the boss man. He's always right here.
We're having fun under the car. Get the 90mm ball.
Yeah,
Oh, no, it's
trick
21.
to them is get them in, mate. We are cross-threading them, wind them in as much as we can, and then hit them with ratchet. Looks better though. They were old, them, mate. They were fucked.
Oh.
This is going on live video, this, mate.
Oh.
Now we've got to tell the computer that it doesn't have magnetic ride. The old ECU doobry, what's it? That is
Completed.
Mk2 TT finished. BC's. Yeah, lovely bit of kit. Corded out the rear spoiler, as this is attached to the rear spoiler, and we don't want the spoiler to lift the spoiler. Yeah, lovely thing. Very nice, very good, very nice. Yes, pretty thing. All done, dusted. BC's for the win.